What do you do with your fruit pulp? Have you been throwing it away, or have you been using it for something else? Leave your answer in the comment section. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be making smoothie, just as I promised on my last video. So I'll be needing my Greek yogurt and 2 apples and 2 kiwis. So now I'm just going to blend everything together. I will be using the fruit pulp from the fruit juice that I made on my previous video to make this smoothie. So I'm just going to put the fruits inside, then add the yogurt and blend. There are so many ways to use this fruit pulp. You can use it to make cookies, you can use it to make bread, you can use it to make many other things apart from smoothie. So now I'll just add a little bit of water to blend everything together. So now I will transfer it into my smoothie cup. So now our smoothie is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Finally, my brethren, be strong in the Lord and in the power of his might. Ephesians 6:10.